Hey everyone, Courtney here with Southern Owls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Glad you're here. Today I found this adorable teacup at Michael's. So I thought it'd be so fun to make a super cute arrangement in it. I did get it on sale. It retails for $19.99, but it was on sale. Excuse me. It was on sale. I believe it was 50% off. So that's not terrible. And it's just so unique, and I haven't seen anything like this before. So I really wanted to design with it. Now, I'm cutting this out. Cutting the plastic out because I'm going to glue some foam in. So step one, cut the plastic out. It is glued in. I don't know if I can really rip much, but we will totally be covering this up with florals. So it's all good. So cut as much as you can out. Okay. If you're new here, drop me a line in the comments. Say hey. Let me know you're here. Also, how do y'all like this new view? Do y'all like this over the shoulder view better than right on front? Okay, I wanted to show y'all this. I keep a little trash basket of scrap foam because it's perfect for this. Like, I can just use the scrap foam, right, to fill in our teacup. I am going to add a little bit of hot glue. This is a Roby hot glue gun. It is linked in my Amazon storefront, which I will put in the description. Do a nice little layer everywhere. And then start setting in your foam. Okay. You could squeeze a little bit more in there if you wanted to. Should we squeeze a little bit more? Let's see. See if we can find a little pieces. I stole a knife from the kitchen. There we go. That's nice and snug. That is how I cut my foam though, is I just stole a knife. Okay. So now our cup is stuffed. And I'm going to go in with this filler floral first. This is from Hobby Lobby. Cut off that tag. It is a pusher. And what that means is you can push the florals up. These are my favorite picks or pushers like this. It just really makes it really nice and full. I think I'm only going to use 4 of these for right now though. So we're going to clip these off using our nippers. These nippers are linked in my Amazon storefront as well. And I'm going to put these like in the 4 corners, essentially, okay? I do have a hot glue pot. You can't see it. It is a Sure Bonder. It is also linked in my Amazon storefront. I love it because you can just dip your florals in there. It's just a pot of glue. So you can dip your florals in it, and it's just easier than trying to, you know, string your hot glue gun over here, and I just like it. Okay, so we're putting those in the corners of our bowl. I know it's a circle and it doesn't have corners, but y'all know what I mean. Already looking adorbs. And now look how beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. Isn't this stunning? I got this from BaBam on Etsy. I'll link her shop. These have been my favorite florals to work with for the spring. They're absolutely stunning. I'm going to cut this one down just a little bit because it is a tall piece. And we're just going to start sticking this all over because I do want to make it a taller element, okay? Same thing, we're just going to stick it in our glue pot and then press it down into the foam. I want this piece to be light and whimsical, and I feel like this foam is going to be perfect for that. This floral. Y'all, I can be such a goober sometimes. I can be such a goober. Oh my goodness, isn't that already adorbs? Okay. Just going to peel that off, cut the tag off. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep all of that together. We'll stick that in their glue pot. This guy in opposite from that one. They fell out, which is fine. Cut this down a little bit. And put him in over here on the corner. How cute! All right, and we still got some more to go. Oh, I want this one because it has a little bud on it. How cute is that? Sticking it in the glue. This would be a super sweet Mother's Day gift. Super adorable. I'm just kind of spreading these out a little bit, these branches. Making it really, oh my gosh, so whimsical. So whimsical. Bending these out a little bit. That's the really great thing about this bush too, is everything is wired. So we can really get in there and manipulate how we want all of these branches to go. This is such a good filler bush. Isn't that adorable? So I did grab some of these as well. These are from Athome because I just thought these would look really pretty and whimsically in there as well. Is whimsically a word? I just made it a word. It's not too tall. It's a little too tall. That's cute. Oh yeah, let's do it like that. I'm gonna add a couple of these in. That's pretty. What do y'all think? Yes! Did I say where these are from? My apologies. These are from Athome. Did I say that? No, don't sleep on your Athome. If you have an Athome, go check them out. They have really good filler floral there. And like really good prices. Really good prices. You know, I was thinking too would be really cute if you wanted to add little flowers down there too to your teacup. I thought that would be really adorable. And I might add a few because I do think that would be super, super cute. Okay, I'm going to add in another clip of this greenery right into the middle because I don't want to be able to see our foam. I should have done that in the beginning. That's okay. That's okay. So we're going to put that right down there in the middle just as a good filler so we don't see our foam hanging out at all. That's cute. That is so whimsical. What do y'all think? I think I do want to add in just a little bit. What do y'all think? What do you think of my crazy idea? I think it would be kind of cute just to add in a few of these on the bottom. We're going to go for it. Now for this, I am going to use my hot glue gun and add in the glue to that. It's just easier for me than to try to dip it in the glue pot. I'm just picking these buds right off. Oh my gosh, like what? I'm just picking them off. Just kidding. There we go. We'll clip that one off. And adding a little hot glue. Be very careful that you don't burn yourself. Yeah, that's a good idea. Hulk almighty over here. You know what I need to get, guys? I need to get a Lazy Susan. So if y'all know of a really good Lazy Susan, let me know in the comments, because I think I need to get one. I've been making a lot of centerpieces lately, and I'm like, I really need to snag one. Adding that hot glue. Sticking them in, and we'll do one more right here. Just see, I'm just adding in that hot glue. That's cute. Cool court. Let's show them not on camera. Oh my goodness. What a goober I am. What a goober. That's cute. Let's spread those out a little bit. That's adorable. Tuck those in. Do all the little final touches. We got our florals popping up at the top. What do y'all think? What do you think? I think it turned out super adorable, super easy project, and it is perfect for a sweet Mother's Day gift. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, guys, I'm on like every single social media platform. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Facebook. I have my own website, thesouthernows.com. So if you ever forget any of my links or anything like that, my Amazon storefront, all of that is on my website, thesouthernows.com. I'm going to pull y'all up real quick. thesouthernows.com is where you can find everything, and I will link everything in the description. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate it. Let me know about the angle. Do you like the over-the-shoulder angle better? Let me know, and I'll start doing that more often. And I think that's it. Is that everything? Oh, that's not everything. Make sure, if you aren't a subscriber yet on my website, make sure you go subscribe. You will become an official owlet, and I am doing a really big giveaway to one lucky subscriber. You are going to win a free showstopper wreath from me. So go become an official owlette, and I'm going to do the giveaway. You might be watching this later on, so it is March 2024. So if you're watching this a year from now, it's already going to be done. But still go and subscribe and be a official owlette. I would truly appreciate that. And I will see you all soon. Bye, everyone.